Hey guys, Justin with Vintage Trailer Works. I'm going to take a second today and show you how to check your trailer hubs, your hub bearings. It's part of your routine maintenance. We recommend this ideally before any long trip. That way you can tow as safely as possible. So what you're going to want to do when you're checking your bearings is you're going to get the trailer lifted off the ground. So you're going to jack it up, make sure the tire is off the ground, and then you're going to come in and you're going to check the tire for play. And all you're going to do is wiggle the tire back and forth like so. And when you wiggle it, you'll hear and feel just looseness. You'll hear it rattling around. So when you feel it rattling around, and you're going to want to first check for your spindle nut. Make sure it is tight. And the way you're going to do that is you're going to come in here and take this dust cap off. And it just comes right off. And then you have a spindle nut, a retainer clip here over the spindle nut. And you're going to want to take, I've cheated a little bit and already loosened it, but you're going to want to take a screwdriver and just wiggle in there and it pops off. And there you'll see your spindle nut. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to come in here and make sure it is hand tight. So you'll just twist it as far as you can go. No more. You don't want to use any tools. Because you still want the trailer to be able to spin. The tire rotates on this hub, so you want that trailer or that tire to still be able to rotate. So you just want to tighten it by hand as far as it'll go. And then once you do that, you can check it again, and you'll see a difference. There's no play in that tire. Reinstall the retainer clip. Then, again, just a double check. Then you'll just replace your dust cap. To do that, you'll press it there, and then we have a nice handy tool that we made up. Set it flush there and just give it a couple taps, and then it'll flush up. Just to follow up, if you go through these steps, if you tighten the spindle nut and you do still feel play in the tire, we recommend taking it to a trailer repair shop and getting them to replace the hub bearings in there so that you can tow safely and enjoy your camping.